Hi, I'm Chef George Mendez and I'm the owner and executive chef of Ohio Japanese Comfort Food. I also have Tadeo Filipino-Mexican Comfort Food, which is located in Quezon City. I also have other concepts like Bird Tubs and Hatch Manila, which is located also in Quezon City as well. I've been a chef for 10 years and doing a food consultancy for quite a while. At this very moment, I'm very excited because I'll be using world-class quality and reliable Koizumi kitchen appliances. So join me and let's create a delicious yet very easy recipes using Koizumi small kitchen appliances. Oh hi guys, I'm thinking of some recipe na pwedeng lutuin today. I have here tamarind paste, noodles, and some sriracha. And I have shrimp sa ref. So what if we cook shrimp pad thai? Tara, let's cook it using Koizumi grill pot. So now let's cook shrimp pad thai. So for our shrimp pad thai, the ingredients we're going to use are egg, lime juice, minced red onion, shrimp, soaked glass noodles, oil, fried egg for garnish, dried shrimp, cane vinegar, cocoa sugar or palm sugar, fried tofu for garnish, cilantro, tamarind paste, and sriracha, fish sauce, and nuts. So first step, mix lang natin yung palm sugar. Sriracha. Cane vinegar. And tamarind paste. So after natin dun sa paste, set aside natin. Then let's move on sa pagluto ng pad thai natin. So let's move on to our cooking. Open our grill pot. So oil tayo, pan. Add our egg. So usually guys, niluluto yung pad thai sa wok, no? And yung ibang ingredients ko, medyo substitute na yung ginamit ko para mas madali nyo makita. Add our tofu. Shrimp. So yung shrimp na nilagay ko is devein na and wala na rin siyang shell. Add salt. By the way guys, Koizumi grill pot is 2000 watts, very easy to use, glass cover top surface, easy to wipe off dirt and clean. Maximum weight is up to 3 kilos including the pot. Metal uses aluminum alloy, good durability and corrosion resistance. Add our remaining oil. So pag medyo close to cook na yung shrimp, dahil tayo maglalagay ng noodles and yung sauce natin. Onions, dried shrimp. Usually, hibe dapat to, yung tayo na hibe. Pero for this recipe, I'll use dried shrimp. Add na natin yung noodles natin. And then our sauce. Add our remaining sauce. Season lang tayo ng salt, onte. And fish sauce. So once na na-absorb na nung noodles natin lahat ng sauce, that's the time na mag-plate na tayo. And okay na yung noodles natin or yung pad thai natin. So now let's plate our dish. Let's get our plate in our Koizumi dish dryer. So there you have it, our shrimp pad thai.